In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bills from Xero. Whether you're new to the platform or simply looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. Paying bills swiftly and accurately is essential for keeping your finances in check, and Xero's interface provides you with the tools to do just that. To start, direct your attention to the top bar on your Xero dashboard. You'll want to locate and click on Purchases. This will reveal a drop-down menu where you will select Bills. Once you click there, you'll be taken to a comprehensive list of all your pending bills, waiting patiently for your review. Each bill is clearly listed with its status, helping you quickly identify any pressing payments that need your attention. Now, let's focus on a bill that's marked as awaiting payment. You'll want to click on it, which will open up the bill details. From here, you'll have a clear view of everything you need to know about this particular bill. Remember, opening the bill is an important step as it allows you to confirm all the details before proceeding with a payment. Verifying this information can help prevent any errors that might otherwise occur from overlooking key details. Once you've confirmed the details and you're ready to make a payment, it's time to enter the payment information. You'll need to fill out several fields accurately. Start with the amount you're paying. It's crucial to ensure this matches the exact amount stated on the bill to keep your records precise. Following this, enter the date on which the payment was made. Accurate dating is important as it will keep your financial timeline in order and assist with future audits if needed. Next, you'll need to specify the account from which the payment is being made. This could be your business checking account or any other account linked to Xero from which you're utilizing funds. Finally, don't forget to add a reference. This reference could be a simple note or code that helps you easily identify this transaction at a later date, something often overlooked but very helpful for tracking. Once all these details are filled in, the final step is to click on Add Payment. It's as simple as that. Xero will then process the information and you're done. You've now successfully recorded a payment against the bill, reducing its balance and updating your records simultaneously. So there you have it. With just a few straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your bill payments in Xero, keeping your financial affairs smooth and your records up to date. We hope this guide makes your experience with Xero even more seamless and stress-free. Thanks for tuning in, and happy bookkeeping.